Okay, here we are. I forgot about Ellie. Her in the picture. Ellie's good at math. So she helped me do the first grade math, but she got a little overexcited and she talked too much and I had to make her leave the room. So we'll see if she can hold her peace while you do math. So we are in the third grade book, and we did identity property yesterday. What is the identity property? It's when you're adding 0 to another number, the number stays the same. 0 does not change it. Then we learned the 0 property of subtraction, which means if you subtract 0 from a number, the number does not change, which seems very simple, but you need to get those definitions in your mind because you will use them later. It's just starting you on algebraic thinking, so just keep that in mind. Some of this stuff seems like it might be too easy, but it is a process. So today you're looking at the squirrel page. Ellie, do you think you can do the squirrel page?
Why, sure. So, Leon, do you know what associative property is? Well, let me tell you what associative property is. Associative property is when you add two add-ins and you can switch some...
Ellie, you are so excited about math. Just sit right there. She cannot slow down. So associative property is when you can change the add-ins without changing the sum. I think that's what it is. Let's look at it. It says 7 plus 3 plus 4. Now, if you notice the parentheses, they always tell you what to do first. So you see that 7 plus 3 is in the parentheses. You need to work that first. 7 plus 3 is, what is 7 plus 3? 10. And then what is 10 plus 4? 14. All right, now they've got it in a different way of parentheses, but it's still 7 plus 3 plus 4. So 7, just bring that down, and then 3 plus 4 is 7. All right, so you have it like this. So what is 7 plus 7? 14. All right, did the answer change? The answer didn't change. If you have subtraction, division, multiplication, and addition, and you have parentheses, you have to do what's in parentheses first. But with addition, it's called associative property. It doesn't matter how you arrange the problem. Because if you are putting some into a bowl, and you're putting some more into a bowl, and some more into a bowl, all you're going to get is the whole bowl. Okay? It's not going to change it. So if you've got 2 plus 3, or you put 3 plus 2, you still put the same amount into the bowl. So it does not change it. All right. It says on the little squirrel, it says, how can you tell which numbers to add first? So always add in the parentheses first. In addition, it won't change it, but it will if you have multiplication, subtraction, and division. So let's look at it. On number 2, I've circled the ones I want you to do. On number 2, what is 8 plus 1? You can do this in your head. 9. Now what is 9 plus 2? It's 11. Now they've got it changed around. What is 1 plus 2? 3. And what is 3 plus 8? 11. What is 3 plus 7? On the next one, it's in parentheses. We're going to answer the parentheses first. 10. What is 10 plus 5? 15. You got it. What's 5 plus 3? 8. What's 8 plus 7? 15. So you can change the order of the add-ins without changing the sum. All right, 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So now try it the other way. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. All right, I want you to do number 5 and number 6. And then on the bottom row, you only have to do 7, 9, and 11. It does not matter which way. You can add them going up. You can add them going down. Let's look at number 7. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. Let's add it. Let's go up. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. You can add up or down. You can rearrange them. You can do anything you want with add-ins. It is not going to change it. On the back, you only have to do 1, 3, 5, and 7. And then on the next row, you are doing the odd numbers, 9, 11, and 13. You do not have to do number 15. You do not have to do number 16. Because it is counting by tens. You know how to count by tens. So associative property means you can change the order of the add-ins without changing the sum. Okay? Associative property. So we've got 0, property of subtraction, the 0 identity principle, and now we've got associative property. Okay? So practice adding those. It'll be good for you to review the addition number facts. We haven't reviewed those in a while. You have a really easy day today. It should not take you long to finish. Watch the science video. Watch the geography video. Actually, it's going to be an art video today. So you should enjoy that. We're painting a famous painter. I think his name is Shazam. I can't remember. It's something with a CZ on the front. And it's a really beautiful painting, and you should enjoy it. It should be fun for us to try. All right, so that's all we've got on that. And I'm going to close it down. So have fun. Get your work done. You'll have a lot of free time. And it should be great. All right, I'll see you later.